Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.